Finna sprinkle some of you fools with some of this GAME, man, some of this game. Understand my system. Finna sprinkle you fools with my sprinkler system. Understand this stuff. It don't stop to the motherfucking Glock pop. Stop. And fuck a Glock, I'm fucking with the 6R. P226 Diana Ross, cousin Nina. Misdemeanor. That's what we do. Understand it.
Yo. What's up, Nick? What's going on? It's that DPB Nation, baby. Dallas Plays Ball. What's up, players? What's up, pimps? I'd like to welcome y'all to the first annual Dallas Plays Ball. You know what I'm saying? Read it. Weep it. Yo, I'd like to introduce myself, you know what I'm saying? The one and only, the Bishop Don Commish, Sal Pacino Goodell, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is just one of our operations in our many operations. But we're gonna have a champ this year. He gonna take home the green. He gonna leave everybody behind. He gonna be the player of all the players. Let's start off, let's evaluate the Alley Cats. Couldn't show up for his first 3-round draft picks, but you know what? He came through and he picked the squad and he's ready. He's ready to represent for you. Let's pick it up with the Dreadnoughts. You know, he played a little something before, so he ain't new to the game. He's got experience over y'all, so y'all better be ready. I know he's coming. And then we got big brother Bullies. You know, he bullied Dreadnoughts all his life. He think he gonna bully the rest of the league. Nah, I ain't gonna have him play not in our ball. So you might as well find somewhere else where you can find that shit to do, nigga. And D-Block probably got the coldest squad in the league. But we ain't gonna tell him that, cause you know why? Every nigga every week gonna try to take him off. That nigga still ain't pay me my money, but we gon' get it. Team illest, nigga. Let me tell you something, that nigga is the illest for realest. He realest killers, so y'all niggas better recognize like my name was Willis. Next nigga is Daddy Low. They call that nigga on the low, cause he want all y'all niggas to keep him on the low. But y'all better watch out, he coming for you, and you. And that Trap Star, man, y'all better watch out. That nigga got the running game showed up. He think he got the passing game showed up. As a matter of fact, he think he invincible. So y'all better watch out for my boy Trap Star. My boy Grave Diggers. Who's that? The fucking Rizza? I don't think so, nigga. That's my boy E. Better recognize AZA representing in this bitch. And my boy Daddy Corona representing from Dallas to Oklahoma. Think he gonna take it. But that nigga need to go ahead and make a couple trades, you know what I'm saying? But fuck it, we all here to try to win, right? Right? Now we talking about the boss of all bosses, niggas. Y'all better be ready. Nigga got experience over everyone. Don't want a bowl. May not be this league, but he got a bowl. You know what I'm saying? How many rest of them other 9 niggas can say they got a bowl? Not one. So here we are, brand new league, you know what I'm saying? We got it starting tonight. I want to get a couple words on a cool tip, you know what I'm saying? From my man, Baraka O'Drama. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, Baraka O'Drama, commissioner of the Hard Knock Official. Just here, I want to tell y'all, I want to welcome y'all to the fantasy football world, you know what I'm saying? See y'all in good hands with my boy, Sal, you know what I'm saying? Bishop Don Commish, you know what I'm saying? We got a brand new year. It's nice to have y'all here, you know, Dallas players. You know what I'm saying? Do y'all's thing. You only live one time, man. Call that fool out. Call him out. Talk that shit. Do your thing, boy. Take that gun. Hey, Sal, come back. Come back and tell him what time it is, man. It's time, boys. It's time, players. It's time, pimps. Set them lineups up. It starts tonight. Only gonna be one winner. Ain't no crying. Ain't no preseason to get ready. Y'all be ready. Stay ready. Cause I'm coming for that ass.
Well, if corrupt gave a fuck about a bitch, I'd always be broke. I never have no motherfucking endo to smoke.